and welcome back into another edition of This Crazy Kitchen. I'm Tara Tesher.
And I'm Lisa Lessort. We're back.
We're back, baby. We're back. We're in our pink. We're ready to roll. Ooh. And we're making a stuffing crust pot pie.
Okay.
Hello. If you have never tried anything like this before, you're gonna love it. Super easy, super delicious.
Okay.
And super hearty. So I love that.
I thought you were gonna say super hard. You scared me. I'm like, super hard?
I'm sorry, have we met? Do
Hearty.
I do hard recipes?
Hearty.
Do I do? Look at that butter.
Butter.
Sorry. Oh, hello, old friend.
Oh my God.
How are you? You're gonna take your pie dish. You're gonna put a little butter on the bottom. You know.
You would consider being
everything's better with butter.
An artist who paints if you could do it with butter.
True story. True. Oh, there it is. I'm like, I know.
What are you
I have
looking for?
nothing.
Okay.
A little salt.
A little salt.
A little salt. Right.
Okay.
On the butter. It's not popcorn. I promise, but it's close. All right, so once you get that done,
yes,
you are ready to start making your stuffing crust.
Okay.
All right, so we have 2.5 cups of stuffing, and I'm going to go and add to it my broth. This is chicken broth. You could also use veggie broth if you wanted to.
Yep.
So I'm going to add that into the stuffing, and then, I mean, I know you guys were concerned that maybe I didn't have my rubber gloves, but I have them.
Yes.
Sorry, they're vinyl.
Dr. Tesher?
I don't want to lie. They're vinyl.
Dr. Tesher's in the house.
Okay, now we can get all up in here, get that broth mixed in with the stuffing.
Where are those pink gloves? Remember those pink gloves?
Oh my gosh, do you remember that? Yes. We were at a doctor's office and saw a pair of box of pink gloves, and I shamelessly asked for them, and they gave them to me.
It is actually true.
It is the truth.
Boy, the things we say.
What do you mean?
That are actually true.
The things we say or the things we do, I'd be more concerned about.
It's actually...
I mean, true story.
Okay, this right now, like I don't need anything else. You could just toast
Oh, you
this.
got a little spot right there. Oh, we're gonna toast it, trust me.
And then here, I would have stuffing. Perfect.
Toasted stuffing, done.
With butter and salt underneath. Okay.
Wrap this up. The recipe is done. Okay? Nothing better than that. Okay, so now you will go ahead and put this in the oven for about 15 minutes.
Yes.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna just rush this whole thing along, though. You know.
Okay.
You don't want to sit here for like 2 hours with us, do you? Of course you do. What do you mean?
We're fun.
So. Just ask us. Just ask us. We're really fun, okay? So let's pretend this is in the oven.
That came so close to my face, by the way.
What do you mean? Here's some softened cream cheese and condensed soup mix.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, oh.
And then we're going to get that hand mixer out.
Okay.
We got some tools.
Wait, so you got gloves? Mm-hmm. You got electrics.
Yep.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Wait till I bring out the chainsaw.
This is a good day for you.
Okay. Wait till I bring out the chainsaw. All right, I'm going to start this on turbo, and then I'm just going to jam it in there, and we're going to see what happens. What do you think? What do you think?
No.
No. That's no fun.
I mean, it is, actually.
It's so fun, by the way. All right, so you're going to get this all incorporated, mixed in there. Oh,
yeah.
Yum.
Come on.
By the way, you could mix just about anything with cream cheese, and I'm a customer.
So far, it already has stuffing, butter, salt, cream cheese.
It's like breakfast.
I know it's getting better. It's a salad.
It's a salad. It's actually healthy for you, okay? This is our low-fat, low-carb version. Kidding. No, this is amazing. I was gonna turbo
chicken
that.
pot pie. Did you love it?
Hey, you know, if you need to get these out real quick, you just press the button. Team told me that before. Okay. Just FYI.
Is that what you do?
Their faith in me is dwindling, and as it should be, by the way. As more and more recipes, the eject, what did I say? The little button?
Do you want to put that in there?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't handle all this pressure. My gosh. All right. Now that you got it all done with the hand mixer, I'm just going to give it a little, stir here or there.
Okay.
Look how good this looks.
It looks delicious.
And now we're going to incorporate our veggies and our chicken. Because we are making a chicken pot pie.
Yeah.
You could actually have leftover turkey too if you wanted.
This is
And these
really
were frozen
great.
vegetables. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. These
No,
are frozen
I love
vegetables that we thawed.
Oh, yeah?
And then you're just going to fold it in, and that's folded in.
I always keep a bag of these in my freezer. Do you know that about me?
I know a lot of things about you and a lot of things that are in your freezer. Do we really want to go there? This is a totally different show now. No, yes, I did know that. Always frozen veggies. Delish.
It's right next to the vodka.
The various flavors of vodka. Hey, you should always keep, public service announcement, you should always keep your vodka chilled. Okay. I mean, that's what they say.
I mean, that's what you taught me.
And Ed's always like, who's they? Who's this they? All right, so now once you got all that mixture done, and now that your crust is dry and you bring it out, you're gonna put it right here on top of this. And this is your pot pie inside.
On.
Wait, it gets so much better. I can't even tell you. Okay? Now that I got that all out of there.
I can't wait to make this for my family.
When are you going to make it?
I'm thinking actually like Thanksgiving weekend.
You should.
Right?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Because I'll have all that turkey
Yes, perfect.
left over.
Allegedly.
I mean, apparently.
Allegedly.
If everybody doesn't eat it all.
Yeah. All right, so now that you've got that done, you are going to slice your sweet potato.
Okay.
And you're going to slice your sweet potato. I suggest using a mandolin so that you can get even slices all the way through.
Paper
and you're going to
thin.
take the rest of that half a stick of butter. Were you wondering what I was going to do with it?
I thought you were going to drink it, so the
Well,
fact
I
that
might.
you're using it is good.
Hey, look, there's a stick right there. I'm just going to throw that in there. All right, then you're going to mix it all up. Get all of those beautiful potatoes full of butter.
So colorful.
And then this is going to be the top.
Yum. Really?
I'm feeling like
The dishwasher's
maybe
on?
it's a little hot over here. So it's on the heat cycle. I'm feeling like I might need another pair of gloves.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. Grenade. Yes, look at this.
Good thing we have a case of these things.
Okay, and no pink ones.
Uh-huh.
We needed the pink ones for today.
Yes. Okay.
Where are you? Were in charge.
I
Not
think
true.
they're somewhere at your house.
Somewhere at my house. That is a very scary thought.
Yes.
I'm just gonna go around in a little circle.
Ed has them. Ed.
Ed, where are my pink gloves?
Where are the pink gloves?
What did you do with them?
Ed is Tara's husband. And I love how, like, you have so many. First of all, I got to give a big call out to all the gray woodland floral lace old world that we have out here. 'Cause
Absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah, and these pie plates, like all of these pieces, absolutely you can find. They are available. You're definitely going to want to check those out. But look how sweet this is.
I can't
This
believe
actually-
how fast this is.
Right.
Just honestly.
Yeah.
All you had to do was, when we fast forward, was bake that crust for 15 minutes,
Yep.
right? Bring it back out,
Yep.
add all this to it.
Yep.
Because the thing about chicken pot pie,
Yes.
not only is
Tell
it
me.
like intimidating with that crust.
It can be. Totally agree with you.
Seriously.
Totally agree with you.
It takes a long time to make.
I call a phone number and have it delivered. It's really quick when I do it that way. Just kidding. All right, so now that I have all these potatoes in here,
Yes.
and it doesn't matter how many you want to use, I like to just cover the whole top. I'm going to remove these gloves again. Are you guys wondering, like, what do we do with these gloves when we're done? Little cracked pepper.
We wash them.
Lisa washes them.
We wash them and
We dry them. We hang them out on the line.
Exactly.
All right, now this is gonna go. This is ready, and this is gonna go in the oven.
Wow.
Look at that. Delish.
And I'm telling you,
And then I'm gonna
not
come out
saying-
with one
like,
already
the
made,
color-
and we're
it's
eating.
really pretty because it's
Beautiful.
so colorful.
Because of the sweet potato.
Yes.
Could you use regular potato? Absolutely, you could. I
Okay.
just, for exactly what you're saying, I love the color.
Yes.
BRB.
Okay.
Talk amongst yourselves, please.
I cannot wait to taste it. I'm starving. And the fact that I can eat stuffing right now is amazing.
Look at this. Yes. That is gorgeous.
It's actually beautiful. Look how it almost like it looks like almost, you know how you do an apple tart and the apples look beautiful like that?
I need
It's
a
gorgeous.
sharp knife.
How about this one?
Lisa, you're hiding it from me.
I hit it. Did you see how I hit it? I hit it so well, didn't I? In
can't-
plain sight, I hit it.
can't work
Under
like
these
this.
conditions, I know.
I just can't.
Yes, I know.
It's rude.
It's not right. It's not right, is it?
You're supposed to be my friend. All right. Yes, Lisa?
Okay. Yes, please. Oh, I'll take the small piece, please.
Yeah. Well, you said you were starving,
I'm starving.
so I wanted to really
Thank
get
you.
it going for
Wait a
you.
second.
Yep.
It smells. I'm serious.
Yes, and the crust is gorge. Hold on.
Look at that.
Just want to show you. Look at that gorgeous crust, all of that detail, that beautiful steamy deliciousness. This smells so
So
good,
good.
by the by. Forks,
Thanks, Mom.
you're welcome. Make sure
Yeah.
you get the crust.
Oh, don't worry. What?
Hello.
That's the first thing I'm going for.
And the sweet potato.
Yes,
Buttered.
Uh-huh. Buttered. Hold on.
By the way,
I gotta get this.
it's probably about 982 degrees. Hey, there's that number again.
I know.
Do you guys all have that number, like when you exaggerate? Lisa's is 18,000.
Oh, it's 18,000.
18,000. Mine's 982.
How do we get these numbers?
Not sure, but yours sounds way more exaggerated than mine.
Okay.
Ugh. So good. Go ahead. Tell me.
It is absolutely
This is
delicious.
delicious.
And the chicken is not dry
No.
at all.
What?
I know, but you know
I
how
don't
when
subscribe
you
to dry chicken. Ever.
because sometimes when you reheat chicken, it can get really dry. This is delicious. It is absolutely
People
delicious.
overcook chicken.
Do they?
I don't know.
Is there a certain? Yeah, there is. It's poultry.
Is there a certain temp? There is.
Is there a certain? As the words came out, I'm like, never mind. Don't.
She's like, put it back in. Put it
Don't
back in.
ask
Never
that question. This is delicious.
Never mind.
Tara.
She didn't say it. It was so good, right? Okay. So, where can they find this recipe, Lise? I waited till
If
she
you
had
call
a
Tara.
big. Yeah, call me. Call me.
Call Tara.
Call me.
She'll give it to you.
will.
Email her. Or
Yeah.
if
Or-
that doesn't work,
Right. If you don't get an answer,
go on over to temp-tations.com.
Yes.
TEMP-TATIONS. Under Discover. Check out all of our recipes. This will be there. And this is delicious. This is a must make.
a must. I got a must make.
MM. Hashtag MM.
M squared. Okay. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining us for another episode of This Crazy Kitchen, where we made a stuffing-based chicken pot pie. I mean, drop the mic.
Drop the mic.
We'll see you next. Whoops, sorry, I interrupted you.
Or the fork.
Or the fork. I should have just kept on going. Drop the mic or the fork. Thanks for joining us. Same bat time, same bat place, same bat number. Stick around.
right.
We get weirder and weirder. All right, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of This Crazy Kitchen.